Hello, my name is Sebastian Torres. I'm from the CARSTAR Tour Cam group. We belong to the Brantford market, so we have CARSTAR Brantford and CARSTAR Brantford West. I joined the CARSTAR family about 6 to 7 years ago. We used to belong to a group called the LC Group. At the time, Javier Torres, my father, was the franchise partner in the group. Through the group, we learned we had a great opportunity to learn and gain some experience, in which we could apply later on when we were forming our own group. About 1 year ago, we branched off and we formed the Tour Cam group, which has been running the 2 shops in Brantford and hopefully more in the future. My favorite part about CARSTAR is the family feel. That's never left. Every time we go to the conference, we can meet everybody again. Everybody's excited to see each other. It's really cool to see that one big organization can act as such a big family. We can lean on each other, learn from our experiences through our edge performance groups, as well as other owners lending hand and part of each other's growth. We take away from the positive and the negative of each other, and we're always there to help out. One of the issues that we're facing today as CARSTAR owners is that the complexity of the vehicles are increasing. One thing that we could look forward to is that the corporate could have maybe additional training courses, not only for our production staff, but also for our office staff. I think it's important that our appraisers are aware of the full vehicle process that needs to take place. That way we can get the vehicle back with good quality and good safety procedures for the customer so they could continue to drive it for long term.